It's now the 4th day, and today we gotta wear church clothes, so it's gonna get hot. It's already hot outside in the t-shirts and stuff. But then tomorrow, the last day, we're having a dance. Yeah, so I'm excited for that. Yeah. Just got done with lunch. Now we're heading to our
it was
group
breakfast,
spot.
freaking idiot.
Oh, I always get confused with my meals. Don't make fun of me. Jeez.
Time is relative. That's why you don't date it, unless you're in Alabama.
What? We're done with studying. Now we're going to this devotional thing. So.
You ever had a good meal of frog legs?
Never had frog legs.
You never had frog? Oh. That's it. I'm actually
I watched the dance footage that I got from the dance. I was like this the whole time.
Okay, you go back.
That's why I was like, I look stupid. Like, I was doing that like half the time. There's nothing interesting happening right now, but I'll inform y'all. Yeah, this man right here, he's gonna help me get to 100 right here. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, all these people sub. Let's go.
But I know the tide will come and wash it all away.
Bro, what is that wallpaper? You just said beans and milk.
Bro, beans are disgusting on their own, bro. Beans and milk. You eat beans with milk? No, I don't eat beans at all. I eat milk with cereal.
Why'd you say beans and milk?
Because it exists.
Beans and milk?
That's disgusting.
We just got finished studying for like around hour 15 minutes. It was good. I'm getting lunch right now, so I'll show y'all in a little bit. There's like no line, so.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of play things.
Dang. Look at them things.
Bro.
Dang, everyone's cool with me recording right now. Everyone's cool. Yeah. Yeah, here's my food. Wow, that was crazy. That transition was probably so bad, to be honest, but I'm trying. Yo, what's up? We're here. Hiram. Yeah. What's your name? Ryland. Gunner? No, Lil Vert. Lil Vert. Lil Vert. What's your name?
The Walrus.
The Walrus. The Walrus. I like this.
We're here dripped out in our drip at youth conference, and honestly, we're feeling real spiritual.
This is Timothy. He's the gym bro. Pose up. Hit this is right now. Okay, $10. Okay. And that is all. So I got a game plan. I'm gonna buy a gum for like $2 for like 20 pieces. I don't want to sell it for 50 cents. I mean, money.
I'm gonna try to dump the rest of my money on Skittles and a few other things and sell them for more prices than
Yeah, okay. So that's game plan. Bye. I just made $4 off that one pack of gum. $4 in profit. That's actually kind of nice.
I made $3 in profit.
Yeah, $3. I just scammed those people, but capitalism. We're going to the variety show where there's like, it's like basically like a talent show. Welcome back to the vlog. Yay! Hey, say it down. Okay. I made this. Hang on. Yeah, I made this. And I made all this change, hang on. Man, I got more change, but like, I made $4 in profit so far.
Okay, so before I get started, I want to try something that I've always wanted to try. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get really quiet, and I'm gonna count down from 3. And when I get to 1, we're all gonna crack our knuckles at the same time. I think 3, 2, 1.
That sounded so cool. I don't know why, but that collective
fan.
popping sounds so satisfying.
Before we get started, I want to say some of y'all better be recording because if I go,
I'm recording, bro.
This is going on YouTube right now. Yeah! Okay. Okay.
I'm so excited for my party tonight! Everybody is coming over.
Hi, Pinterest. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Of course. Yeah, thanks. It's gonna be so much fun. I think so too. There's snacks over there.
Hello there. Was anyone else supposed to be coming?
Well, you know how Twitter wouldn't shut up last time, so I kind of just dropped his invite. And Snapchat ghosted us. Hello.
Is this that isn't Facebook.
Who is that? That's MySpace. Let's talk about dancing. I mean, you guys know what that is, right?
Of course.
That was really unprofessional. Don't you think we should be?
Oh,
Is MySpace dead?
What do we do?
Guys, I'm going live.
Will not.
I can already tell this is gonna be. Okay. That is amazing.
Alright, well, first of all, I need to ask for a volunteer. First of all, I'm lazy, so you should shuffle the cards for me. Thank you very much. Probably see the card, I don't know. Alright, can most of you make that card? Alright, cool. So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take 3 cards out of the bottom of the deck. 1, 2, 3. Place your card on top, please. Now, here's what I need you to do. I need you to imagine how impressed you would be if I could make your card appear on the bottom of the deck right now. Now this should be it. Bam. You're messing with me, right? Fine. Third time they said it's guaranteed to work. Boom. Anyone recording might want to go microanalyze and see if you can figure out what I did. If you can tell me, I'd be very impressed. Now, I think I know what you're up to. You must know one of the people doing this, and you want me to look bad so they look good. And it's not gonna work because I figured it out. I know what you're doing. Hold your hand out for me. He decided he wanted to be a big magic man and tried to pull one on me. So he pulled the card out of the deck before I could put it in. And the card is right there.
Lauren, happy birthday. I love your son. Thanks for letting me have him.
I'm still holding on to everything that's stayed and gone. I don't want to say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, that hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's staying and going. I don't want to say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Left the rest in pieces.
I'm not looking at the piano while playing. It's all like it's already impressive.
This is a snakeskin jacket. Don't mean to cause a racket. I'm gonna steal the Declaration of Independence. Maybe then I can change your sentence. I'd like to take his face off. Did I stutter? Did I cough? You're like a cat. The cat in the hat. Oh, I'm sorry, was that a little flat? Put the bunny back in the box. Or else I might have to pelt you with rocks. I never misspelled anything. Not once. Not one time. I'm so frazzled I can't even think of a rhyme. I lost my hand. I lost my bride. Johnny has his hand. Johnny has his bride. Tell me, or I'll eat your stinking soul. That's right, baby. I'm on the freaking roll. Nicholas. Oh, hey. Someone please uncage me.
I've recorded it, bro.
Yes, Minecraft. Yes.
Wet Hands, I think it is.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorites.
It's either Wet Hands or like Sweden or something like that.
It's Wet Hands, I know.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Wet Hands. Okay, the whole show's over. Now I'm gonna go sell more stuff. Gotta go back to the shop, buy more stuff. Okay, so I just bought a pack of Starbursts. Well, like no one wanted them except this one kid, but he paid $5 for it. Well, he was about to pay $20.
Going to like this musical program thing.
Yeah.
You exist beyond
And it's also about to rain, so yeah, that's nice.
Here, this is action movie stuff right here.
Yeah.
I ain't that good at filming. Like, maybe I should be a filmer or a photographer. That should be a dope job. What's up, baby?
Sold up to the camera.
Rolling on G, we're like, whoa.
Saw me at the variety show.
Yeah.
Let me film. Hey, name and occupation.
Pilot.
What up, pilot?
Yeah.
How'd you at the variety show?
Yes, sir.
Give them sunglasses. I
What's
want
your name?
Brooklyn.
I'm gonna show this to my mom.
Yo, Brady, he's the owner. He's the owner.
Yeah, I'm the owner. Yeah, thank you so much for all the subscribers. We got like 75, I think. I don't know. Why are you getting so close up? Okay, look at this guy. So look at this man's wallpaper. Bro, what is this?
What? And that's how I zoom in. Get some good footage. Look at that. It's on the other side.
We're leaving.
My ankle killed itself.
Wait, how does it do that?
I've been wearing this stupid brace for so long. It's cut in half my ankle.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, fact right.
I didn't just trip right there. I didn't. We just walked down these stairs into this place.
Big LeBron. Okay. Oh yeah, on camera I can do that.
What have you videotaped so far? Did you videotape the thing inside?
Like a little bit. I pretty much done everything. Like,
I'm Native American. I can speak to the wind.
oh, what do we got here?
State your name and occupation.
Hope Wilson, I'm an FSY counselor.
Great answer. There you go.
Oh, look at this man's phone case. Look at this shit, bro. Oh, what is that thing? It's an old phone. It's like 4 or 5 years old.
We're done.
Oh,
Yo, look at that line right there.
Hey, there we go. There we go.
That's you for real, a legend.
Did you just call me camera person?
He has a name, you know.
I have a name.
How come they don't call me the one?
Listen, RT vids, all right?
What? Tell me. What is it?
Ryland.
What is it? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before the dance, I'm going to sell gum for 50 cents a piece.
25. Airheads for 50 cents.
Oh yeah, actually 25 because like people will buy it more because like 50 cents might be like a little bit overpriced.
So we'll officially be
And then
making 10 cents of profit. with
Then
the
I
sale.
want to buy earheads, but they cost like $25 or no, not dollars.
25 cents.
25 cents
50.
for one, and we're going to sell them for 50 cents. So, bro, I'm going to watch this video like 10 million times.
Facts, bro. Oh no, they're on me. They're trying to take me out of my homeland.
Yo, what happened? Crash? Robbery?
I say probably. Oh shoot, they're on me. They're on me.
Like, look at yourself. Can't see you.
Because I'm Native American. The wind is hiding me. I'm sorry to any Native American who is being offended by this.
Bro,
but I am actually Native American.
Can I take some card? Yo, you got a $1 coin?
Yeah, someone pay me that.
That's dope.
Okay. There's a car crash right outside this window. Let me come show y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, look at that car. It is messed up. Y'all can't see that well, but it is messed up. They just crashed into that. power pole, it looks like. Or something. Oh no! There's another car! There's two cars, head-on collision! Dang!